Holiday! Come on out, Lugger. It's your day to die. Oh shit. Come on, Doc. You said you wanted to finish. It's all right, Lugger. I'm counting to 5 and I'm coming in. 1. 2. Yeah, 2. Son of an earth.
That's right. You looking for somebody planting?
I was looking for your pal Holiday. Seen you up any sooner, I'd have shot you first.
Sorry to disappoint you there, Ike. Morgan, hold him at the jail. I'm gonna find Judge Wallace.
All right.
I gotta find Judge Wallace.
I'm sure you know the way. Let's go. Yeah, you know what, Morgan? If I still had that 6-shooter on me, I'd make a fight with you and your whole art army. Go on and take your gun and tell the fight.
Morgan! I've been threatening my family for months now. Is that right to gun you down? He's not gonna do it. But it'd be right. Morgan's inside. Get that bottle away from him.
Give me the bottle.
You don't want this, I got germs. Let me out. Hey, you do it. You hold on.
How Holiday did to Ike earlier? I get it. He's a fool when he's drunk, but he's harmless. He had no call roughing him up like that.
He's waving guns around telling me he's threats. That boy's lucky to be alive.
Who do you think you are, Herb? You gonna come down here and tell us how to live? Like some Dodge City pimp? Hey, I like pimps.
Get back here. Hey! I am still talking to you. Have you heard a single word I said today?
I heard what you said, Frank, but this is Ike's problem.
This is Ike's problem. You see that doc in Europe's been treating him.
He does this everywhere we go. He gets a few drinks in him, and then he thinks he can whip his weight with wildcats. I'm sick of it.
Family is family. If you can't back your brother's play every single time, why do we even keep you around?
And what if he's wrong? What if he gets us killed?
Get your hands off of me, Wyatt!
Ike had his fun, paid his fine, he's free to go. I want you to get him out of here and let everything settle down. You know, as a matter of fact, I don't want to see any more cowboys the rest of the day.
Now, Herb, you got no right talking to us like that.
I'll talk to you any way I please. I'm the law in this town. You're nothing but stage robbers and horse thieves. Sheriff Behan might not care what goes on between here and the border. I do.
Oh, let me tell you something about Sheriff Behan, Virgil. See, the sheriff's a smart man. Leaves us cowboys alone. Sheriff Behan just might find himself living a nice, long, happy life, too. Like some folks I know.
Threatening us again?
No, Morgan, I don't make threats. When I say men die, they die.
All right, that's enough! I got to know men just like you a whole lot. You don't scare me. I've got trust, I've got that smoke. I'll find a man you're gay. You touch my family, I will kill you.
Ooh, there's an awful lot of tough talk, Wyatt. Yeah, you know, it's just a shame it's coming out of a dead man. Yeah, you worked had your chance. You could have walked away. But no, you stayed here in our town trying to run us out. Look around you, Wyatt. We're still here. We ain't leaving neither. But all this ends today. I'm done talking. Come on, boys.
There's gonna be more cowboys here any minute.
They're big guns, Curly Bill and Ringo?
No, I get yourself shot. Just more spoils for the rest of them.
Well, you know, Wyatt, at the rate he's going, that just might happen.
He's drunk and suspicious. He knows about that deal we made turning them stage robbers. Curly Bill and Ringo find out. Won't sit too long.
They bury us, they bury that secret.
Right, Mort. This is what we gotta do.
Come on, Wyatt,
It's police business, Doc. None of yours.
Well, Virgil, there are more cowboys heading into town, and word has it they're gunning for you. Seems to me like you could use all the friends you can get.
We can find those cowboys just fine on our own, Doc.
Well, they're not far from here. An empty lot off Fremont Street behind the OK Corral. They look to me business. Boys, got guns.
Then we will disarm them. Come on. Doc, you're coming with us. You're gonna do it my way. I want you to hang back. Hold on to this. Let's go.
With the herbs and that filthy water. I mean, you heard what they were calling us, Bill? Calling us horse thieves and stage robbers?
Well, technically, we are horse thieves.
Really?
Nobody likes you. So what do we do now?
It's simple. When the Yerps get here, we deal with them.
You don't mean we're gonna kill them?
Whoa, Bill! Nobody said anything about killing. We're gonna wait till the Earths get here and we're gonna write them an angry card. Put that in the newspaper with a big old black border, make sure they see it. We're gonna kill them, you moron!
It's a bad idea. We should just clear out.
Clear out.
Was you looking for a fight? Now you have one.
Throw up your hand. I want your gun. Hold it on him!
Hey, stop! Don't shoot!
I'm gonna get him!
At least I got you, Holiday, you filthy lunger!
Where's White Franklin? It's your Daisy too.
I see movement in that gun!
There are only so many places in America people will cheer for a triple homicide. Frank McClowry, dead. Tom McClowry, dead. 19-year-old Billy Clanton, dead. That was it. It was over before it ever started. Now, 2 months after this gunfight, Virgil Earp was ambushed outside the Crystal Palace Saloon. 3 shotguns went off, but he still refused to die. Crippled up pretty bad, Virgil wandered the West until death caught up with him in Nevada in 1905. Not as lucky was Wyatt's brother Morgan. He was shot in the back and killed playing a game of pool up on Allen Street. Morgan died at midnight, March 19, 1882. His brother Wyatt's birthday. Now in 1887, the year this whole town began to fall apart, the 2 main causes of this gunfight died hundreds of miles apart from each other. That summer, while starting a new gang up in northern Arizona, Ike Clanton was shot and killed by a mail-order detective. Not long after that, after a lifetime of drinking and smoking, well, tuberculosis caught up with yours truly up in Colorado. Don't care to talk about it. No Wyatt Earp was the last man standing out of all this. He'd spend his days traveling. He'd make his way from Idaho to Alaska, finally ending up in Jazz Age Hollywood, searching for another tombstone and the chance to get things right again. He never would find it. Wyatt died in Los Angeles in 1929, just ahead of his 81st birthday. His final words: suppose. That, folks, was our show.